Hey there, my fellow funny fans. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we turn construction sites into comedy gold mines. We've hunted high and low to find clips so ridiculous they'd make a steel beam giggle. From workers inventing new dance moves with power tools to machinery pulling pranks, we've got it all. New videos drop daily, so hit subscribe, share your funniest stories, and let's get this comedy site buzzing. Yo, you Chuckle Crusaders! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you startled your neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own egos and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Haha! Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing. That's all, folks. Hope you'll laugh till your dog gave you side-eye. Thanks for watching. Let's hang again at 7 p.m. daily. Peace out.